Hello, fabulous EAs. Today I'm handing over to my friend Andy from Double Gemini, who is going to give you his top productivity tips that he's learned from working at a productivity company. Double Gemini are the masters of workplace productivity. They created the famous stack method of inbox management, and they have loads of other programs to get your workplace organized. You can reach me via hi@eahowto.com to find out more, and be sure to become an EA How To Plus member for access to replays of our brilliant workshops for assistants, as well as our incredible private Facebook community. You'll find a link in the video description. For now, here's Andy.
Hey everyone, my name is Andy Greenbaum and I'm the VP of Client Solutions at Double Gemini. So today I've put together a really cool video called 3 Awesome Tips I've Learned Working for a Productivity Company. And first off, productivity oftentimes means multitasking, especially today, right? We're often doing 7, 8, 10 things at once and forget about distractions and notifications, right? So I'm super excited to do this little video for you because multitasking and being successful at it is really about managing the stress that comes with a lot of work. So there's people out there, right, who can do like 16 hours of work a day, no problem. And then there's others who, do half as much work, but they get one extra thing thrown at them and everything blows up, right? They lose it. So we need to learn practical tools that can help us manage the stress of multitasking because all of you are overworked and doing more than ever. So here are 3 tips to help you in a practical way be more productive, but more so deal with the stress. So tip number 1 is spend 1 to 2 hours every week planning your week. Now, this is something we do at Double Gemini every Thursday, 3 o'clock, we get together. And as a team, as a company, we plan out our week, the 5 days, Monday through Friday, what we're going to do every hour, every half hour. And I got to tell you, it's a really tedious thing to do to really try to plan out, half-hour blocks like that. It's very thoughtful, and I'm working with other people in the company, and it's a lot of work. But I got to tell you, once my week is set up, oh, so stress relieving, so awesome. My weekend is mine. We do it. Some people do it Fridays. Some people do it Sundays. We do it Thursday in case, we have to make little adjustments Friday, but basically everything is set up for you for the next week. You know what you're going to be doing. You thought things through. The weekend is yours and the stress is lowered significantly. Now, tip number 2 relates to this. Tip number 2 is show on your calendar what you're doing, right? So you already have this set up from tip number 1, right? So this will do by showing this. There's 3 awesome things this will do for you. First, it'll reduce the new work you can do. 2, it'll limit things getting thrown at you. And 3, it'll cover you. So, don't let your boss stress, first of all, whether or not you're being productive or not. He or she will know what you're doing. Your supervisor, your exec will know what you're doing. But more so, people can't throw other stuff at you because you look at my calendar. Everybody share calendars. You can show them your calendar. Go, look what I'm doing all day long. It covers you. People can see that you're being very productive. And finally, you can ask for additional resources. If this keeps going on week after week and you're working 40, 50, some people 60 or 70 hours a week, and you're still getting asked to do more things, you can show your calendar, go, look, everything I'm doing, I need an assistant, right? So number 3 is focus on one big lift per week. The big projects at Double Gemini, we call a big lift. And it's funny, when I started out working at Double Gemini, about a month or 2 into it, I looked at my list, my project list. I had like 27 things, 27 different projects on my list. And I was like, oh my God, this is insane. I mean, think about it. How much can you move 27 projects forward? Not much. Even 7 projects you can't. So what we do at Double Gemini, we take one big lift, which, could be a big report you have to do, training a new employee, you have to do a new event or an online event or something, or research something big. And we schedule out big chunks of time during the week where we're going to get this big lift done. Okay. We schedule it in when time nobody can just, we're busy for 2 3 hour blocks, sometimes 4 hour blocks. That's all we're doing. Now, the beautiful thing of this is that don't worry if you overschedule that project. If you're done early, you're done early. There's going to be other work that comes up. But man, when you're done with that big project, it feels great. It feels great. There's no more stress about this project, and also gives you the motivation and the knowledge to know that you can finish the next big project as well. So these are my 3 big tips for you. Spend 1 to 2 hours planning your week. Make sure you show on your calendar what you're doing and focus on one big lift per week. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope this will help you manage the stress of your job, and see you next time.